Hello guys, for some day I will teach you about HTML. So in this first day I'm going to give you all information about HTML. Before starting this HTML tutorial video, I want to tell you I'm not going to teach you 100% of HTML because there are many chapters like Canvas that you just JavaScript. If you want to be good at in HTML, then you need to learn only 80% of HTML. Later you can learn 100% of HTML. So for now you need to learn 80% of HTML. So first I will tell you what HTML can do. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. With HTML you can create a website. So if you want to create a website, then you need to learn 3 languages: HTML, JavaScript and CSS. But here HTML is main language to create website. So if you don't use HTML, then you can't create a website. So before going further, I want to tell you HTML is not programming language. HTML is markup language, not programming language. And with CSS you can style HTML, and JavaScript can make your website alive. So we are going to talk about CSS and JavaScript in this video. So with HTML you can be web developer. So if you want to be a web developer, then I have already made a video about web developers. So just click the link down below to watch. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. So in another part of HTML tutorial, I'm going to tell you all about HTML tags. So if you want to watch that video, then please make sure to subscribe. So see you in our another HTML tutorial. For now, bye bye.